What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have an emergency video, you guys. I needed a battery, and here I go with EverStart. I did feature at EverStart when I had my Mercury Sable, you guys. I miss it so much. The Jelly Bean. I miss my Jelly Bean, you guys. I miss my Mercury Sable. I will be getting another car, but Facebook Marketplace is pretty creepy, you guys. I test drove a car. I Quick story. I test drove a car last week. Well, I went to go see a car. The guy gave me an address. It wasn't even his house, and then he had no tags. So I'm trying to figure out where the heck did this guy come from. And I'm like, okay, so do you sell cars or whatever? He said, no, I don't sell. Okay, so what are we doing? Anyways, so Facebook Marketplace is a bunch of weirdos that's selling cars at you guys. So, um, me buying another car right now is, I gotta trust you. All right. So right here, I did purchase a 65. This is for my Ford Expedition. Battery is done, you guys. So right here, I purchased a 65, and that scared the heck out of me. All right. So right here, I purchased a 65. 65, part number 65. It says dash 3, but I picked it up. All right. But this is what it looks like on the front. All right. You have a 2-year warranty, of course. Um, 650. This is cold cranking amps right there. And then that is 0 degrees Fahrenheit. And then with cranking apps at, was that 35 degrees? No, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Sorry, I can't see through the phone, you guys. 800 uh cranking apps at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. Now, this Duracell I got from Sam's Club. If you go to Sam's Club, this is the brand that they have. All right. So this Duracell was 3 years. And as you can see, we have the manufacturing date right here, 11/20, and 3 years. So it's not 2023 no more, you guys. We it almost made it to 2025. This battery almost lasted 5 years, 850 cranking amps at 0 degrees, and then 1045 at 32 degrees. So this is higher spec, okay? Higher spec, and it was cheaper than this one. All right. So maybe inflation, I don't know. For a bigger spec, you can get a bigger spec from Sam's Club, you guys. So this is an emergency. Okay. So I needed this battery. So that's the way it's going to be. All right. Now I think the standard is 750 cranking apps. So I think I'm should be good because I'm right between 650 and 800, and this one is 850. So this one has already been over spec. So we was good with this one. Now let's see if this one can last for 5 years. All right. I'm going to go ahead and install it just in case people don't know how to install their battery, but pretty much simple, you guys. You take your terminals off. Red is for positive, and black is for negative. And that's about it. Get yourself a little socket kit like this, a little play socket kit. You can get this from Amazon, Craftsman. All right. If I remember, I'll try to post a link for y'all, but you can keep this right in your trunk. This is probably one of the most important things to have in your trunk, you guys. All right. Let me go ahead, take this battery out, and start up the truck. All right, you guys. So we are going to take this off. I believe this may be 8. Is it 8? Yeah, it's 8. Use an 8 real quick. Oh, wrong way. I was going right at first. Was it righty tighty? Which one is left? Let me see something. Oh, that's tight. That's loosen. Oops. Wrong way, you guys. And it is freezing out here, you guys. Like, it's cold. It says 40 degrees, but I'm gonna be honest, that don't mean nothing for me. I don't like the coldness. All right. That's just the way I am. I love summertime, you guys. I love the summer and the spring. Wintertime, God could have skipped winter. Even though if he skips winter, then that means we'll get older, right? Because we won't have 3 to 4 months extra on our birth year. So something to think about, I guess, or something for me to think about. All right. So we got those two off. Now I don't have no battery strap here. You may have a battery strap on yours, so you might have to take your battery strap off. Let me see if I can move this out the way. At least hold it. Stay there. Don't get in my way. Okay. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, that's heavy. All right. All right, you guys. Whew. I need my car working again, or my truck. Now, I can't find my terminal cleaner, so I would just have to go with how the terminals are now. The terminals are not dirty, so. Get the negative. Okay. Positive. Negative. On. I think that's on. Is that on? Let me loosen it some more. Oh, it's loose. All right. Okay, I think it's all the way on. All right. Twist it. Now, I know somebody in the comments going to be like, oh, you should have hooked up this first, and you should have hooked up that first. So I will read your comment, and then I'll do that next time. But right now, I don't have time to think. This is an emergency. I need my truck working. All right. I cannot have my only vehicle demolished. You guys, this is why I like having 3 vehicles, because if one goes out, I can just relax and fix it a little at a time. And right now, my wife's car needs some work done. She has a check engine light, and I would like her to drive the truck while I work on her car. All right, you guys, let me start up the truck and see if everything goes good, goes well, and I need a key. What the heck I do with the key? All right. Was a little bit of a rough start, but it started up very well. All right, you guys. So that's how you change out your battery. All right. EverStart. We're good to go now. Everything starts up well. Sorry if the startup was loud for y'all, but that's the way it is, and we're good to go. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.